maybe because bathrooms to me are sort of, they're both a really real problem. Talking about humanizing teachers, teachers joke all the time, oh, I don't even have time to go to the bathroom. To me, that's so deeply unfunny, right? That our school work environments are places where you feel like you can't even meet the most basic of your human needs. So I think that's why I often return to this example of bathrooms, because what hope do we have of humanizing the rest of school if we can't even do that? So I definitely understand that, what it's like to be a teacher and feel like, well, I can't even meet my basic human needs. So how am I supposed to do this for my students? So one of the things I invite teachers to do is recognize that any shift that you can start making in the system is a great place to start. So you don't have to feel like, well, if I can't overthrow this whole thing right now, then I'm not even going to bother, right? So just start wherever you feel like you have influence, and inviting teachers to look at, where do I have influence? Are you on a committee? Can you get involved with your union? Can you even just write to your school board member? Whatever the small thing is. And then within your own classroom, really look at the ways that you can disrupt those dehumanizing processes. So, for example, I talk about a teacher in the book who shared with me that in her school, they had these really archaic, and I say archaic knowing that a lot of schools still do this, which, you only have 3 bathroom passes per semester or something like that, which is super ableist and dehumanizing for kids. And just that teacher decided to just not use them, to just refuse and say, my students can just go whenever they need to go. They can just access this when they need to. And so she sort of refused to be part of this dehumanizing system. And, that comes with risk. And so we all have to assess, what's the risk in my refusal, and can I take whatever the consequences might be? But really looking at not passing on the dehumanization that you are experiencing, which is way harder said than done, but really looking at, how could I disrupt this?